I have to tell you guys something so fucking disgusting that it's gonna blow your mind. So you guys know I've been like dating some like country guy for 8 months. Country guy is like, okay, cool, like cute morals. I'm a sculpture MFA. I've been in college for 5 years studying art and construction of art and art history. Like I know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm in debt. I'm in college debt, okay? Like I have to have had something come out of that. The kid that I'm dating, I swear to God, like I'm not even kidding. He was like trying to mansplain like a nail gun and how to cut wood to me. And like if you don't know what a sculpture major is, like that's one of our requirements, is like to know how to like do shit like that. He's like, oh well, like, you know, I've had 2 years of experience, like you've had 1. Like I have a college degree, you don't. Like it threw me off because I've been studying this shit for 5 years and he was like mansplaining to me, but also being like, yeah, like I've had 2 years of experience, like forgetting like that I have a degree in this shit. Like what? Okay, so that threw me off. But also, like, I swear to God, this guy like fully knows what I'm in school for. Like he fully knows that I'm a sculpture, I'm like getting my master's in sculpture. He was like, oh, because like you know how to paint, like you know how to make a paintbrush, do what you want. I'm not a painter. It got me, like it got me so good, because how do you know so little about someone that you're dating for that long? I'm shocked. Like what the fuck? Like how do you get something like so many facts about the person that you're with wrong? And I'm just like cringing so hard because it's like I'm too nice. I'm way too nice. I'm way too nice. I'm way too naive. Like I don't know why I see like the best in people, because it's not necessary and it's not worth it. And it's like it's oh my God, I'm just updating you guys because like I feel like you know more about me than the guy that I've been dating for 8 months. I just finished the canvas I was working on. This is the bigger version of the I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna post some pictures on my Instagram, but let me know what you guys think. And yeah. I wrote these like new alchemy statements about like what I want in my life and everything, and I'm gonna burn them because it's like ritualistic. So like undescriptive. Yeah, like that. Got it.
Just be careful and let it blow that way, because that would suck if it's like,
oh, good heavens. Well, I tried to, what I would have done different next time is to maybe burn it in like a bucket. This is all that's
Did they get this for you?
Yes. Take 2 so that we don't bring anyone's house down.
But maybe we should like close the bathroom door.
What? Why?
Because
Mom,
just smoke alarm, the last thing we need. Hold on. All right, let it go. Don't burn yourself.
Oh no!
No!
God damn it! Emma. I'm done. I'm done.
Honey, you didn't finish it. Now it's in the toilet.
Mom, I can't just hold it while it burns.
You kind of had.
I'm gonna go to the gym, even though this is what I'm wearing, because who's gonna judge me? Nobody other than myself. I'm gonna go work out. I'm gonna take my mom to a gallery reception tonight. She's still visiting me, which has been quite lovely. And yeah, let's go do some cardio to balance and regulate my mental health, shall we? This is what I'm wearing to a little gallery reception. I'm excited, and I'm gonna take my mom. Cute but casual. And it's 7 o'clock. I'll get there around like 7:30. Yeah. here.